Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sandwich at home, updated. Start by organizing your ingredients and tools: 2 slices of bread, a spread, protein, cheese, and greens. Toast bread lightly if you prefer extra crunch. Prepare spreads and slice fillings to consistent thickness so every bite is balanced. Keep sauces modest to avoid sogginess. Assemble thoughtfully, press gently, and cut cleanly for neat presentation and easy eating. Start by picking a flavor profile and matching ingredients. Try tangy mustard with smoked turkey or creamy avocado with grilled tofu. Use cheeses that melt well if you plan to press or grill the sandwich. Layer sauces sparingly and consider a thin barrier like cheese or lettuce to protect bread from wet fillings. Think about contrast: crunchy pickles with soft cheese or crisp greens with tender protein, and keep proportions even for every bite. Assemble on a clean surface with all components within reach and start by spreading condiments edge to edge on both slices. Place heavier items like roasted vegetables or proteins first, then add cheese and delicate greens on top to avoid crushing. Press gently and, if desired, toast or grill for 2 to 4 minutes to meld flavors and melt cheese. Slice diagonally for easier handling and serve immediately while textures are at their best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.